Docu Liquid is a medication used to treat occasional constipation. It is often the first method used for preventing and treating this type of constipation. It is especially helpful when straining to have a bowel movement should be avoided, such as after a heart attack or surgery. Docu Liquid is a stool softener that works by increasing the amount of water the stool absorbs in the gut, making the stool softer and easier to pass. Relief is usually seen in 1 to 3 days with this medication. When taking Docu Liquid, it's important to check the ingredients on the label, as the manufacturer may have changed them. Also, products with similar names may contain different ingredients meant for different purposes, so taking the wrong product could harm you. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this medication should be determined by your healthcare provider. When taking Docu Liquid, make sure to read and follow all directions on the package. If you have any questions, consult your pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, take it as directed. Take this medication by mouth, usually at bedtime with a full glass of water or juice, or as directed by your doctor. The dosage is based on your medical condition, age, and response to treatment. If you are using the liquid form, measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device/spoon. Do not use a household spoon because you may not get the correct dose. If you are using the drops, measure the medication with the dropper provided, or use a dose measuring spoon or device to make sure you have the correct dose. Mix the syrup, liquid or drops in 4 to 8 ounces of fruit juice, milk or infant formula to prevent throat irritation and mask a bitter taste. Only use this medication when needed and do not use for more than 1 week unless directed by your doctor. Do not increase your dose or take this drug more often or for longer than directed. If your condition lasts or gets worse, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, get medical help right away. If you experience stomach pain, diarrhea, or cramping while taking Docu Liquid, or if your throat feels irritated, especially with the liquid or syrup forms, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. However, many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, it means they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks. It's important to be aware of potential serious side effects such as rectal bleeding and to seek medical attention if you experience a rare but serious allergic reaction, which can include symptoms like rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember that this is not a complete list of all possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. And as always, if you have any concerns about the side effects of Docu Liquid, don't hesitate to consult your healthcare provider for guidance on the best course of action. Before taking Docu Liquid, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you are allergic to it or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's best to talk to your pharmacist for more details. If you have severe abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, or a sudden change in bowel habits over the previous 2 weeks, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. Before having surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, it's important to tell your doctor before using this medication. Additionally, it is unknown whether this medication passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this medication, it's best to follow the instructions provided by your doctor or pharmacist. They can provide you with detailed information about the benefits and the most suitable time to take Docu Liquid. When taking Docu Liquid, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. One product that may interact with Docu Liquid is mineral oil. Be sure to talk to your healthcare provider about any concerns or questions you may have about potential drug interactions. As always, it's important to follow your doctor's recommendations for the best results. If someone has taken too much of Docu Liquid and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can reach out to a provincial poison control center. It's important not to share this medication with others. Remember to attend all your medical and lab appointments. To avoid constipation, make sure to include enough dietary fiber in your diet, drink plenty of water, and get regular exercise. Docu Liquid should only be used for temporary relief of constipation. It's important not to rely on it for too long to avoid becoming dependent on laxatives. If you forget to take a dose of Docu Liquid, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular scheduled time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to store Docu Liquid at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's important to keep it out of the bathroom and away from children and pets. Also, do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. When Docu Liquid expires or is no longer needed, it should be properly discarded. You can consult your pharmacist or your local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.